This is the look back. I will admit, when I first looked at the assignment, I did get confused and I missed the mailboxes entirely. This is my best attempt at a mailbox. It's not the greatest. Uh, but then again, the only reason why I passed the first 3D modeling class is purely thanks to the tutorials. Because I think without them, I am not good at this, like, at all. And this is purely just from what I can do from memory. Because all of this, too many buttons.